how are you all? Hope you all are good and doing well at home. Children, in previous video of GK we have learned about trees, shrubs and herbs. What are trees, children? Tall, big and strong plants are trees. And I gave some examples also to you. What are these? Like banyan tree, neem tree, ashoka tree, coconut tree and many more trees. Children, and I have explained you about shrubs and herbs. Shrubs are what? Small but strong plants are called shrubs, like rose and sunflower. And what are herbs? Small and weak stem. Those who have weak stem are herbs like coriander, grass, mint. Today I am going to explain you about more two trees, two plants which can't able to stand erect on its own. They need support to grow. See, herbs also have a weak stem, but they can stand erect. They can stand, but we can cut it easily, we can fold it easily. But few more plants are there, they need support to grow. They can't able to stand erect. What are these? Did you saw a money plant? That is called a climber. Money plant, grapevine, they need support to grow. Climber, C-L-I-M-B-E-R, climber, and C-R-E-E-P-E-R, creeper. These are the two types I am going to explain you today. Climber needs support to grow. They grow with the help of a wood or a wall. They can't able to stand erect. Did you ever saw a money plant? Money plant, grapevine and a bean plant. These are climbers. They can't able to stand erect. Money plant. And see, this is also a climber. See, climber. It's standing erect? No. See, it's falling down. It's falling down. It can't be able to stand erect. So, what it needs? It needs support to grow. Climber. Climber. Support to grow. Creeper is what? Creeper also needs support to grow. How? When you all are small kids, what you all are doing? You know the walking already? No, na? Before walking, what you did? You will crawl on the ground, isn't it? Like that, some plants also crawl on the ground. Like watermelon. Like watermelon. Cucumber. These are creepers. Pumpkin. They crawl on the ground. They need support of ground and they crawl on the ground. On the ground only they'll grow. See, on the ground they are growing. Watermelon, pumpkin and cucumber. These are creepers. Crawl on the ground. Crawl on the ground. Climbers are what? They climb up with the help of wall or wood or any tree also. They take a help of this and they climb up. Climber, creeper on the ground, climber up, climber down. Okay? See, the examples are, climber example is what? Money plant. Money plant and grapevine. And creeper, pumpkin. P-U-M-P, pump, K-I-N, kin, pumpkin and watermelon. Watermelon, W-A-T-E-R, water, M-E-L-O-N, melon. These are creepers and these are climber. Okay? Shall we write in a notebook? Ready to write? Okay, take out your GK notebooks. Here you should write the date. The date is 17.9.20. Here the lesson name is what? PLANT, plant. One finger gap. LIFE, life. One finger gap and write Q/A. Underline it with a red crayon or red chalk, red pencil. Right. Question number 1. Now write NAME, name. Take one finger gap and write 2 CLIMBER, climber, full stop. You should not keep a question mark here. Name 2 climbers. S. Now answer. What are the climbers? They need support to grow up. Climbers are what? Money plant. MONEY, money. PLANT, plant, money plant, comma. GRAPE, grape. VINE, vine, grapevine. These 2 are the example of climbers. Now leave one line. Write the question number 2. Now write NAME, name. Again finger gap. TWO2 CREEPERS, creepers. Name 2 creepers. Creepers are what? Creeper crawl on the ground. Crawl on the ground. The examples are what? Watermelon. WATER, water. MELON, melon. Watermelon, comma, and pumpkin. PUMP, pump. KIN, pumpkin. These are the 2 examples of creepers. Watermelon and pumpkin. And see children, after writing in a notebook, what you have to do? This is your worksheet book. Worksheet book, page number 8. Plants around us. You should match only this one page you have to do. This is an easy bit for you. See, coconut tree. The spelling is written here. Where is the coconut tree? Here. So you should match from spelling to the picture. Okay? And in practice book, missing letters. This bit is finished. Now I am going to write this bit on the board. Shall we write? Okay. Now ready children with your practice book? Page number 39. Hope you have done this. Now this. Fill in the missing letters. So see children, here 3 they gave and here 3. Because I don't have place, so all the 6 I wrote here. Okay. T-ES. What is this? Trees. TREES, trees. The next one is shrubs. SHRUBS, shrubs. The next one, climber. CLIMB is already there. E you should write. Next is what? Week. WEAK, week. Fifth one is PLANTS, plants. And what is crawl on the ground? Yes, creepers. CREEPER, creeper. Okay children, this activity you have to do. Here you should write the date. The date is 17. Here you have to write the date. Okay children, and see children, in your course book it's there. We have to read, and few plants have thorns also, like cactus, rose and lemon. They have thorns. You try to read this. It's there in your course book with the pictures. It's there. Try to read with the help of your parents. Goodbye children.